pace in pace setting, what is it? एक pace पे हम लोग चल रहे हैं, so that has become our complacent zone, a comfort zone. Now if I have to move something up, I will have to set that pace. How? By walking my talk. Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani, both of them, they were quite some weight at some point of time. But Anil Ambani said, अगर मुझे कोई फिटनेस के प्रोडक्ट्स लाने हैं या मुझे लोगों को अपने अपने लोगों के लिए ये पेस सेट करना है that they should be fit, then I have to be fit first. If I don't look to be fit, if I don't work out towards being fit, why are people going to listen to me even? You know, just like a आप एक जिम में जाते हो, if the trainer himself is not fit or herself is not fit, you are not going to buy his services. So यहाँ पे pace setting की जरूरत है. A change that you want to bring in, लेकिन आप एक लेवल को अप करके लेके जाना चाहते हो, पर हाँ ओवरऑल इम्पैक्ट इसका नेगेटिव क्यों रहेगा? क्योंकि आप कंफर्ट जोन से निकाल रहे हो किसी को. You are pulling someone out of the comfort zone. So maybe pace setting, because आपको, I mean, people are not ready to do it. You are raising the bar. शैलजा के साथ होता है ना, नहीं नहीं शैलजा, even if there is no bandwidth, तुम्हें ये भी करना है, तुम्हें ये भी करना है. You can do it, you can do it. Do as I'm saying right now, do it. यहाँ पे सब क्या आ रहा है? यहाँ पर आपका जो लीडर है उसका ड्राइव टू अचीव आ रहा है, बट यू आर नॉट रिसीविंग दैट ड्राइव टू अचीव. उसका इनिशिएटिव आ रहा है, बट यू आर नॉट रेडी टू execute that initiative. He wants to come to the quick results because he is very very motivated. उसने अचानक से एक किताब पढ़ ली है कि 21 दिनों के अंदर आप अपना लाइफ को ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं. And he says, roll on, roll out this program, but you are not prepared for it. And henceforth, the overall impact on the climate can be negative. So next question can be, क्या इसको कभी भी नहीं implement करना चाहिए? करिए, but थोड़ा सा अथॉरिटेटिव के मिक्स के साथ कर सकते हैं जहां पर आपका होमवर्क तैयार है. So when people are coming to you saying, hey Arun, how is it possible you want me to roll out a program of 21 days on health setting? I don't have equipments. Don't worry, I've arranged for them. They are on their way. 2 days they'll reach you, right? So you should have a backup style to implement pace setting, which is alone not going to work. it is like कि आप स्विगी और जोमेटो वालों को खटारा सी मोपेड देके बोलो कि नहीं, तुम्हारे को तो 30 मिनट में वो ऑर्डर देना ही देना है. You are not supporting them. How do you expect this pace setting to work here? You give them good bikes and you tell them the shortest possible route, give them the GPS facility, and then set the pace.